Hey guys, Nicole here, your trusted Bulacan Realtor, and I'm here at Amaresa in Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. So today guys, we are month of August. So August 2025, this is going to be your most recent update and also most recent sample competition. Merong 4 model units to choose from dito sa Amaresa. So we're gonna check them out, and then at the end of this video, may kita nyo yung computation ng bawat isa para you can decide kung ano sa mga model yung pasok sa hinahanap mo, pasok sa budget mo. Kasi bawat unit dito guys, magkakaiba po sila ng total contract price dahil magkakaiba sila ng unit features, ng floor area, di ba? And lot area. So, let's go and have a look. Start tayo kay Arya Prime.
Alam mo may ari Oo.
So, guys, mag-start tayo kay Arya Prime. Pero disclaimer, no, mukhang tayo ay naglilinis today or nagre-redesign. Kaya, in terms of our house tour, medyo may kita nyo na magulo siya ngayon. Pero papakita ko na rin sa screen yung kanyang floor and lot area. So, this is Arya Prime. So, kung subscriber ka ng channel ko, marami na po akong house tour for Arya Prime. You can check that out kung gusto mo talagang makita yung dress up niya, di ba? Ngayon kasi guys, mapapakita ko lang sa inyo, ito halos actual na to kasi pag inalis mo yung gamit, ganito talaga yung turnover niya. Yan. Di ba? Kaya medyo may mga nakatambak na ngayon guys. But this is Arya Prime model. We have a total of 3 bedrooms and 2 toilet and shower for Arya Prime. So, dito siya guys. Itong part na to, another living area to eh. So, yan. Nagkaroon tayo ng ano guys. Naglilinis tayo ngayon. Diba? So, let's go upstairs. Maluwag siya dito guys. So, tingnan nyo. O, diba? Mukhang nagre-repaint yan. Bedroom 1 of Arya Prime model. Bedroom 2. Ito si bedroom 2. Ayan. Talagang magulo lang siya ngayon, guys. At master's bedroom. Pwede po yung queen size sa master's bedroom ni Arya Prime. Kanyang toilet and shower. Again, we have a total of 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Arya Prime model, the stunning and the beautiful Arya Prime, complete finish turnover, and your updated, most updated sample competition showing on the screen right now. Ito siya guys. Yan si Arya Prime. So, bank financing lang po tayo dito, pwede rin yung in-house, pero wala po tayong pag-ibig, okay? I hope we are clear on that. If you are happy, if you are capable sa sample competition, pasok yung monthly income mo sa required salary na yan, guys. Monthly yan. Solo or combined, kung mag-asawa, magkapatid, pwede kayong mag-combined income. Then, you can contact me as soon as possible sa Viber and WhatsApp number, guys. Just mention Arya Prime para naman matulungan ko kayo sa online reservation or sa site tripping, viewing, ganyan. Bawal po dito mag-walk-in. Very strict po yung guard natin. Just contact me directly for any questions or tripping schedule. And at the same time, guys, we have complete amenities po sa Amaresa. Meron tayong swimming pool, parks and playground, clubhouse, and basketball court, 24/7 safe and secure. Along the road po yung location, flood-free. At syempre, malapit ka sa NLEX. Malapit ka sa lahat ng establishment na kailangan mo. Private schools, private hospitals, supermarkets, and malls. Yun po yung advantage ng location natin dito po sa Amaresa, 3 Barangay Loma de Gato, Marilao, Bulacan. And we have 3 more model units. But we're gonna start with Kayla after nung Arya. Pero tignan nyo muna yung ano. Ano to guys sa lahat ng model, ganito kalaki yung ano. Balcony. Signature niya to, signature style. Kaya makikita mo to sa lahat ng model nila, guys. Let's go to, Kita Prime. Tuloy-tuloy na tayo, guys, no? Floor and black area. Thank you. So, si Kayla Prime, maayos yung model niya. Kasi si Aria Prime lang yung nililinis. So, pakita natin yung high ceiling ni Kayla Prime. Si Kayla Prime kasi, ang niya, kaibahan niya kay Aria Prime, meron siyang mataas na ceiling. High ceiling effect yung tawag namin dyan. Tapos si Kayla Prime, ito yung magiging dining and kitchen. Meron din siyang service area or laundry area at yung kanyang toilet and shower. So, ayan siya guys. Toilet and shower number 1. So, kay Kayla Prime, meron po tayong bedroom sa baba. So, in total, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath for Kayla Prime. Pero yung kanyang bedroom ay nasa baba. Isang bedroom sa baba, 2 bedroom sa taas. I hope we are clear. That's for Kayla Prime. So, wag po tayong malito between Aria Prime and Kayla Prime, ha? Ang Aria Prime, wala siyang high ceiling. Ang Kayla Prime, may high ceiling. Si Aria Prime, wala siyang bedroom sa baba. Pero pwede mong i-turn into bedroom yung space mo sa baba. Pero si Kayla Prime, talagang nakaset na as bedroom yung kanyang first floor. Clear? Let's go to the second floor. Dahil na may high ceiling si Kayla Prime, may ganito ang view. Kayla Prime bedroom number 2 and number 3. Ito si master's bedroom. Kayla Prime master's bedroom or bedroom number 3. And of course, may access din siya sa kanyang toilet and shower dito. Toilet and shower number 2. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. From this, may malwag ng hallway and syempre meron ka rin balcony. Magpagpagera ng toilet. Guys, there you have it for Kayla Prime. Did you like our house tour? So, how about the computation, di ba? Yan yung sample computation, guys, ni Kayla Prime. Bank financing po tayo. Okay, yan po siya. Very affordable at kayang-kaya mo pa rin si Kayla Prime. Tanong, meron bang ready for occupancy? Sagot, wala po. Ang Amaresa Phase 3 ay pre-selling lang po. So, kaya tayo naka 24 months installment down payment, 0% interest. Kasi po, pre-selling lang po ang Aria at Kayla Prime dito sa Amaresa. Okay? So, you must be willing to wait. Okay? So, we're gonna move on to the next model, which is Amara Expanded and then followed by Alexandria. Punta mo tayo kay Amara, guys. That's Amara Expanded. So, Amara expanded lot area and floor area showing on the screen. Stunning and beautiful. Napakalaki niya, guys. Wow! The beautiful Amara Expanded! Welcome! Nakita niyo naman kung gaano kalaki ang floor area at ang lot area ni Amara Expanded, guys. Di ba? Kung ikaw gusto mo ng ganito kalalaking mga living space like sofa, di ba? Guys, perfect for you si Amara Expanded. Afford na afford to, guys. Meron tayong lanay, and service door for Amara Expanded, your 6-seater dining table, at mas malawak, mas mahaba ang ating kitchen top dito sa Amara Expanded. Meron siyang toilet and shower dito sa baba. Ayun siya, guys. May room sa baba, pero yung room na to, pwedeng office o kaya storage room. Okay, guys? Akyat tayo sa second floor. Bedroom 1. Bedroom 1 ni Amara Expanded. Gusto ko lang guys i-emphasize ito, malaki pa naman siya. So in total, we have 3 bedrooms and 3 toilet and shower for Amara Expanded. Ito yung bedroom number 2. Ayan siya, guys. Nakapaglagay pa tayo dito ng closet, ha? Yan. So meron tayo dito ng closet, guys. Pwede dito single bed or pwede rin double bed. Pwede rin ang bed box. Toilet and shower number 2, Amara Expanded. Ganda talaga siya, guys. Complete finished ang turnover. Maluwag ang hallway, oh. Nakapaglagay pa ng ganito dito. Tingnan nyo, guys. Maluwag siya, di ba? Master's bedroom. Amara Expanded. Pwede ang queen size, pwede ang king size, hotel style. Put your television over this side. May sarili kang toilet and shower sa sarili mong master's bedroom. Guys, ito, oh. Makapaglagay ka pa dito ng closet. And then another closet here. O, diba guys? Tapos ito. Toilet and shower. Ang laki guys ng toilet and shower mo sa sarili mong master's bedroom. Diba lahat tayo gusto natin yun? Sariling toilet and shower sa ating master's bedroom. Diba guys? At alam niyo ba, ang Amara Expanded, meron pang attic. Yung attic, nagmukhala mo third floor, pero hindi siya third floor. Attic siya. So, get pa tayo dito dahil meron pa pang matatagpuan napakalaki at napakaluwag na ating area. Pwede mo ito gawing playroom. Katulad ng ginawa nito. Ginawa siyang playroom dito, guys. For Amara Expanded. Just look at that. Your kids will enjoy this. Kung halimbawa, sabihin mo, wala akong kids, pero gusto ko ng Amara Expanded, pwede mo ito gawing entertainment area, o kaya kung meron kang mga pets, pwede itong playroom ng mga pets mo. Diba guys, yung attic. At meron din siyang, syempre, hindi mo mawala yung ating balcony area. Signature na yan. That's our Amara Expanded, guys. Magkano kaya? Afford ba? Siyempre, sample computation showing on the screen right now for Amara Expanded, guys. Yan po, bank financing. Kung in-house by request, pwede naman. Pero again, walang pag-ibig, okay? At pre-selling po yung ating sample computation. Kung gusto mo ng ready for occupancy, meron I think isang RFO. Pero sa phase 1, cash na po yung down payment pag ganun. For this type of model only. Only Amara Expanded. Okay, guys? Diba, no? Afford na afford, kaya-kaya yung computation. Kung yung income na yan, kung combined, kaya nyo rin yan. Hindi naman kayo nagmamanila, gusto nyo lang, meron kayong nilook forward na ganito kaganda at kalaking bahay sa prime location dito po guys sa Marilao, Bulacan na flood-free yung area natin, yung subdivision area natin. It's a non-flooded subdivision. Okay guys? So, meron pang isa. Actually, meron pang mas malaki dito. At yun naman si Alexandria. Let's go. Guys, Alexandria model. Actually, medyo nagkakaroon lang din tayo dito ng ano guys, yung mga furniture nire-renovate. Pero si Alexandria, floor and lot area showing on the screen right now. Ayan siya guys. Marami lang video with house tour dito sa Alexandria model na you can also check out. Ayan siya guys. So for Alexandria model, dahil kasalukuyan po may mga model tayo na inaayos ngayon, katulad kay Area Prime kanina, magbibigay na ako guys ng sample competition. Magkano ba ito si Alexandria? Pero bago yan, ano ba yung features niya? Dapat yung floor and lot area niya. Yan po siya guys. So, up to 5 bedrooms, napakalaki. 3 toilet and shower. Tapos may attic rin po guys. Si Alexandria yung pinakamalaki natin. At magkano ang kanyang sample competition guys? Alam niyo ba? Affordable pa rin. Tignan niyo sa screen. Ayan, si Alexandria model. Diba guys, no? Kaya-kaya, combined income allowed po kay Alexandria. So, bank financing tayo guys, pwedeng in-house, pero wala tayong pag-ibig again, okay? So, dito guys, sa Amaresa, dahil exclusive subdivision tayo with complete amenities, 24/7 security, bawal mag-walk-in. Dapat mo akong kontakin directly. You have to contact me directly sa aking Viber WhatsApp number. Just mention Amaresa. Alam ko na yan, Amaresa Marilao or Amaresa 3. Okay guys? Para ma-schedule kita ng site inspection, site tripping, pwede rin ng online reservation. So, just contact me for any questions for our qualifications, di ba guys? Pwede kitang free qualifications, pre-qualifications online, okay? I can do that and I suggest na let me do that for you, okay? Dahil syempre house and lot yung gusto mong i-invest, gusto mong i-purchase, gusto mong makuha in the future, di ba? So guys, contact me directly ko ang gamit mo messenger. Ayan siya, you can follow me. May blue check yan, legit yan. Ako yan guys. My name is Nicole Alamar. So, contact me as soon as possible. Just mention Amaresa para sa reservation, para sa tripping, para sa requirements, and all other questions that you may have. Okay, please. But of course, number one thing that you need to remember is to like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, guys, okay? So, kung hindi ka pa subscriber, mag-subscribe ka na para naman malaman mo lahat ng mga gandang projects sa area ng Bulacan, di ba, guys? So, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching.